So we had a mini tornado, and everything got pulled out. Trees got pulled out. Some of them got hit by lightning, but the whole park is non-habitable. No playing there, and that tree went down. So we had a little mini tornado happen in Banning. Look at more trees. That tree's totally broke off right there. A couple other ones down. Wow, down onto the field. And I'm gonna keep you guys with me, and I'm gonna go around the park so you can see the rest. Oh goodness, more people's cut trees down in their house, by their yards. The water came all the way out to the middle of the street. Here's all the debris from where the water came out. But there's more trees that are limbs broken off.
That one looks like bent.
And that one just bent and broke.
Yeah, the roots are coming up out of the ground.
Yep. Look at all this. The courts are filled with all the trees.
Yeah,
Oh, look at that.
Big rip.
They look
that
like
one snapped.
They just snapped.
Wow.
Yeah, they snapped. A couple of them snapped like that.
They were too old, too brittle.
No, that looks like fresh wood. Look at that. That looks like new, good wood. It's just that it was...
Ooh, that one, one of the branches tore straight off, and you can see the...
Had a little tornado. Yep. Right back to there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Of course, the huge ones.
Look at those ones right there. They're not supposed to be up in it, and they're all in there? I thought they weren't supposed to be up in there. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Do people listen?
Look.
Just like you?
Yeah, I want to get out then. If everyone else is getting out, I want to be a looky-loo. So anyway, there you go. I'm just to hit pause. You'll see me in the park in just a minute. Okay, so here's one of the trees. How long do you think this tree has been here? Many, many years. Look at this poor pine tree. Poor pine tree down. That one right there got hit. Let's see. Can you see it? There we go. That one right there. That one just looks like it split in two. That looked like it got hit by lightning. Look at that. Crazy. Anyway, small tornado in Banning. It's crazy.